I've got my adventure buddy here. She's finally allowed over that bloody pesky border of ours. Wow. Start the morning. I've got my adventure buddy here. She's finally allowed over that bloody pesky border of ours up in Queensland, and I get to show you the beautiful place that I live. The Gold Coast. We're adventuring around here for the next few days out in the scenic rim. Maddie has a few waterfalls, being a waterfall queen, that she wants to tick off the bucket list, and of course I said I would happily show her around. We've got the Overlander four-wheel drive with us. Absolutely no plan of what we're doing. We're winging it. Don't have any camping booked.
The best type of adventure.
Yeah, exactly. So you would have just seen we started off at Page's Pinnacle.
And
Bit of a hectic hike to start the morning with. I've never done it before, but it was doable. Loved it. It was
good leg burner.
Yes, definitely feeling it. And then we went to the Natural Bridge because that was the next closest thing.
Yep.
Natural Bridge is very easy, not wheelchair accessible, but it is like very well paved, bathrooms and bus stops and everything.
Yeah.
Now we're up at Springbrook and we're just about to do Rainbow Falls, Worry Track and Canyon Lookout.
Yoo-hoo.
Triple threat. It's pretty, hey? Yeah.
You can see the water.
All the way out to the Gold Coast skyline. And there's a waterfall. Gold Coast waterfall. Yeah, we're going to that one.
That one. Oh my goodness.
Turn around. I think she's a little bit impressed by this one. One of my favourite waterfalls in the Gold Coast. Rainbow Falls.
It's epic.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I love it because you can walk around the back here and jump out there. Can't swim in it, but we're a couple of metres away and we're already getting wet from it, so.
Oh, I'm swimming. You haven't been if you don't swim.
Under a waterfall. How cool is this? I love it.
I used that falls when we first crossed. But you're like, that was like, there's no name for it.
Oh, okay. Maybe. And this is what I call a lunch with a view. Front row seat. It's yummy.
So good.
here on day one. Just a couple of my favourite hikes and waterfalls around the Gold Coast. What did you think about it, Maddie?
I'm absolutely knackered.
I am too. We've just come up to O'Reilly's because we've had enough of hiking today. We're very sore. We're feeling our age. Hot showers. The campground here at O'Reilly's is $40 a night. We have a RV spot, sheltered, but they have cabins. I don't know if you can see them. Cabins, and they've got the lodge up there. So O'Reilly's is on the Lamington National Park here in Queensland. We have a few more stops here, but this afternoon we're going to head down to Minion Falls. Minion Falls is beautiful for sunset, and I can't wait for Maddie to see it. So that's going to be it for day one, and then tomorrow we're going to go head off to Elabana Falls here, and maybe a few other waterfalls around. Morning, we've got a bit of a breakfast situation going on here. Pulled the jet boil out for some nice hot coffees. Got some oats, carbon up. We worked out last night that we did over, how many steps was it?
24,500.
24,500 steps, which was equivalent to about 19 kilometers.
Days, yeah.
So going on an average daily of well and truly under that, we've outdone ourselves in a day. So we had a little bit of a rethink about our trip for the next few days. Instead of going west, we're going to go south, and we're going to hit a few beaches. Southeast, yeah. So Byron Bay way. A few waterfalls, a few beaches, live that coastal life up here. So yeah, today we're heading off to Elabana Falls, which is back up O'Reilly's tourist centre. It's really nice here. Well, hello bush turkey. You're coming in to say hello as well.
Hey friend.
You're well and truly in nature here.
Oh my god!
Oh, rats, go save them! No. It's like the dingoes of O'Reilly's.
Oh my goodness, he full ripped a hole.
Cheeky.
Silly.
There you go.
Hilarious.
Encounters with nature up here. I need my coffee. It's still going. Leave us alone. We just want to have our coffees. And here we go. Hike one of the day. Bay, even though that Maddie was driving like a lunatic. I'm kidding, no. She drives perfectly fine. Absolutely love driving the Jeep Wrangler. So our first stop in Byron Bay is Minion Falls. Really easy track, as you can see. Worth the reward at the end. A nice swim is what we need. Then it's time to go set up camp. Alright, so we found the spot. Are we level? Press the up. Fancy Jeep things. Not bad at all.
Pretty
Not
good.
bad for the first time.
Pretty good.
Check out this. Alrighty, day 3, and we're at the Nightcap National Park, about to do the Minion Falls track. I think it's 4 kilometres return. Hopefully not too harsh on our blistered, bruised, swollen feet. I'm excited to go see the Minion Falls. And we made it, that's it. Wow. That is stunning. Palm trees, look! Apparently we're going down there. Wish us luck. Yeah.
I would say it's one way.
Okay, so apparently it's a 9k return. We might have read that sign a little bit wrong. Not 4.5 return, 4.5 each way. Fingers crossed. I'm sure it's going to be absolutely beautiful. Very rewarding at the end. Just maybe not on the way back up. Torrential rain and it just keeps getting muddier. Woo! It's so muddy! That's my waterfall. Wow. Yeah. We were, that's the lookout there. Beautiful. Alright, we're going in. Well, thank you so much for being my adventure buddy this week. I hope you enjoyed your time up here and it was something different from South Coast.
Yeah, no, it was great, thank you. It's been great to spend the time in the Overlander as well. Like, I was really surprised about how much sort of camping appliances and all, like the Overlander is just packed with everything.
They're
that you
so
need.
well set up.
So,
Like,
yeah.
this is dreams right
Yeah.
here.
Really luxury car to drive. I've really enjoyed it.
It is, yeah, it's so light. Well, that's it. Yeah, my GoPro's playing up. We didn't get the rest of yesterday afternoon, but we just spent our time in Byron Bay. We're just gonna head down the beach now and relax for the rest of your time until you fly out. Until the next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Bye.